not do anything which brings the bar into disrepute. So can we say that Qazi Faez, as the former Chief Justice of Pakistan, brought the bar into disrepute? That he does not uphold the standards required of an honorable member of a bencher at the Middle Temple Society of Middle Temple. And therefore, as Pakistanis, as 240 million people, we are lodging our peaceful protest to this decision taken by the Honorable Society of Middle Temple. I also want to say that as his career was coming to an end, this man was responsible for the passage of one of the most controversial constitutional amendments in our country.
Shame on you! Qazi Faez! 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 Shame on you!
I would like to quote his own fellow judge, Honorable Justice Mansoor Ali Shah, who is a judge of impeccable integrity, whom Pakistanis consider as somebody who epitomizes rule of law, who epitomizes the principles that the Chief Justice or any senior judge of the Supreme Court should display. His own colleague, in a letter to the registrar, set out and said that this man neither has the moral courage or the fortitude to be a member of the bar or serve as justice of a country, and he refused to become part of his leaving reference. So that tells us that the judiciary of Pakistan, the senior judges of Pakistan, the senior most judge of our country, Justice Mansoor Ali Shah, has said and believes that Qazi Faez does not stand for independence of judiciary. Now, any law-abiding Pakistani, any barrister who practices in this country, any lawyer in Pakistan understands that if you do not believe in independence of judiciary, you don't stand by rule of law. And as he comes here today, we must reiterate and tell everybody here that this man, although being elected as a bencher of Middle Temple, does not stand for rule of law. He does not believe in freedom of judiciary. He does not believe judiciary should be independent, and his career is scarred by dark human rights violations. Therefore, we protest against his election, we protest against him being here, and we think it's bringing Middle Temple as an institution to disrepute, and they must reconsider the important decision of making him a bencher in this honorable.
Shame on you! Middle Temple! Shame on you! Middle Temple! Shame on you! Middle Temple! Shame on you!
हमारे साथ you have another member of Middle Temple.